Guys, what is up? So first of all, please excuse the crummy lighting and also the not so great sound. I'm in my bedroom right now. Haven't really had the chance to film the intro to this video, so I figured I would just go ahead and do it. So here I am. So hi, how are you? Welcome. Okay, so also another reason why I haven't really had the chance to film the intro or the ending or whatever the rest of the video yet is because I haven't been able to set up my studio because I've been sick, my kids have been sick, and also now my poor little doggy is sick. So that is why I'm filming this right now. So yeah, anyways, I will be doing a Queen of Hearts skull art on my face and a little on my body. So I guess without any more waiting, shall we get started? Starting off right away, I went ahead and blocked my eyebrows off camera. If you would like to know how to block out your eyebrows, I do have videos where I show this step, and I'll go ahead and link one down in the description box below. Now, in this step, I will be using brown brow liner to outline where I want everything to be. You don't really have to do this step. I just do it because sometimes I change my mind about what I want on some of when I'm designing things on my face. So yeah. Next, I will be laying down a layer of white body paint where the skull will be and where the bones will be. I'm also going to put some green body paints in the colors red and black where I laid down the outlines earlier. I will be later covering these places with some powders. I'm basically using the creams as like a base to allow more pigment in the powders that I will be laying down. And I'm just going to be doing this with the reds and the blacks all over the face. Now using a detailing brush, I am taking a water activated black body paint and just lining everything with that. Using the same water-activated black body paint, I am drawing on the brows, and also using that same detailing brush. Now I am using a light blue body paint to lay down where her eyeshadow will be. I am using water-activated paints for that, but you can also use cream paints. Just make sure you set those cream paints with powder. I also went ahead and added some more darker blues to this because I felt like that blue just wasn't dark enough. Taking a flat brush, and I'm just using a bluish gray color from that same palette and just blending it around the black lines on the inside of the heart. I'm going to go ahead and add some white shimmer to highlight the face. And now I'm just applying some reds and pinks to the cheek area from the blood sugar palette. The next thing I decided to start on was this rose. Now this is why I kind of draw things or sketch it out first. I was originally going to do a heart there, but I decided it was a little too many hearts on her face, and I thought the rose would be a nice touch and it would look better, so I drew that. And I drew the rose using red body paint and did some shading and highlighting with a detail brush using black, red, and white body paints and powders to do the shading and highlighting as well. And on these leaves I used green body paint and also some brown shadows to shade the leaf. Now I am using black water activated body paints to cover the rest of my body. That won't be the skull portion of it. And I'm also going to use white water activated body paint to fill in where the bones will be. Next, I'm making her iconic heart lips with a bright red lippy. I will then do some more shading and highlighting on the face and just add some finishing touches. I am using a gray shadow to do the shading on the cheekbones, by the way. Hope you guys enjoyed what you saw, and if you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am going to try to put out more content. We'll see how this works out in the future. There's been a lot going on around the household, so it's been a little bit difficult lately for me to even be doing any kind of a YouTube video. So I finally got to do one. And there it was. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, please subscribe if you enjoyed this. If you want to see more things that I do, I also have an Instagram. I guess I can try. I'll post this somewhere on this screen up here. I don't know where. I do enjoy doing this, and I hope to see you guys in the next one, I guess. Bye.